Hi everyone! In this video, I have something new to unbox and share with you. But first, I want to mention that Vivacé gifted me with this beauty. They sent me their Xceptional Gold Label Unit 4 wig in the shade Dr. Copper. This is a Halloween themed wig style based off of the character Black Widow from Marvel Comics. And guess what? A full YouTube video review is on the way, so stay tuned for that. This wig has a hand-tied lace with a pre-plucked hairline. It has baby hair, and you can heat up this baby up to 400 degrees. I am definitely looking forward to looking good in this wig. She is out of the package. Here we go. Alright, so I have the wig on. So you all tell me what you think about this wig. Is this wig giving Black Widow vibes? I think so. I definitely think so. Let me know down in the comments if you think that this wig is giving Black Widow vibes. Stay tuned for the full YouTube video review. You know I got you. Be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more wig reviews. Bye!